Hey guys, what's up? This is Megan here, RC Mods, and in this video, I am going to show you guys how you can enable the 120 refresh rate without root. So, ang application na to guys is, nag-viral to siya sa TikTok at maraming nag-mention sa akin doon kung paano nga ba siya i-set up. So, in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-set up yung Force 120 refresh rate kahit hindi ka na rooted, and applicable to siya sa lahat ng Android device na supported yung pwede ma-edit yung notification panel nila para madagdagan ng new option, which is itong adaptive refresh rate. As you can see is nakaset tayo sa 120 refresh rate. And take note, hindi po ako sure kung gagana to siya 100%, pero meron chance na mag-improve yung touchscreen response mo. So guys, kung interesado ka, huwag mo nang skip yung video dahil ituturo ko sa iyo step by step kung paano ito gawin. So, let's get started. So, here's it guys. Umpisa na natin. So, make sure na i-download niyo yung application natin. Link in the description. And then, kapag na-download nyo na guys, punta lang kayo sa Z-Archiver ninyo or kahit anong file manager as long as makapag-extract siya ng zip file. Okay? So, open natin tong Z-Archiver. And then, punta lang kayo sa download folder kung saan nyo nilagay yung dinownload yung zip file. So, sa akin is nasa download folder. And then, yung pangalan ng zip file guys is itong new viral application Force 120 refresh rate no root by RC Mods. So, yung gagawin nyo is tap nyo lang yan. Then, click nyo tong extract here. Kapag na-extract nyo na guys, yung kailangan nyo lang gawin is open yung folder na ito. And then, merong dalawang application dito which is itong change refresh rate APK and itong com.android.cpu.performance. So, install na natin tong dalawang application na to. Click done. Then, install natin tong isa ulit. Install. Okay? So, kapag na-install na tong dalawang application guys, yung kailangan nyo lang gawin is i-toggle down nyo yung notification panel ninyo. And then, meron kayong makikitang bagong option which is itong adaptive refresh rate. Ito. So, kapag di nyo yun makita guys, kailangan nyo lang i-edit yung notification panel ninyo by clicking this edit icon right here. Ito. Yan. Click nyo lang yan. And then, pwede na kayo makapag-add ng new options dito sa notification panel ninyo. Okay? Then, kapag na-add nyo na guys, tap nyo lang yung option. Then, mamili ka lang kung saan yung refresh rate na gusto mo. Pwede sa 120, yung Force 120 refresh rate. Pwede rin kayo mamili dito yung automatic, which is itong high, adaptive, or standard. Pero kung yung device mo is kaya naman yung max refresh rate, I recommend na gumamit ka ng high, which is itong naka 120 refresh rate. Adaptive naman, kung kaya ng device mo, yung 96 refresh rate, which is yung 90 refresh rate. Para sa akin guys, okay na yung 90 refresh rate, smooth na yung screen animation niya dyan, yung pag-scroll down sa mga social media application. Pero kung ikaw ay nagpo-focus talaga sa super smoothness ng device mo, I recommend na gamitin mo itong 120 refresh rate and then click done. So ngayon, check natin kung gangada nga ba yung application na ginamit natin. Okay? So punta tayo sa settings and then punta lang kayo sa developer options. Then ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating current refresh rate ngayon. So, show refresh rate. And as you can see guys, hindi gumana yung 120 refresh rate natin, pero gumana yung 90 refresh rate natin. Kasi nga, yung kaya ng device ko is 90 refresh rate at gumana yung application na ginamit natin. Pero kung di naman gumana guys, yung 90 refresh rate, yung, or kunwari yung maximum lang ng device mo is 60 refresh rate, huwag kayong mag-alala guys dahil pwede naman ma-increase yung touch sensitivity or yung touch screen response ninyo kahit hindi ka naka 90 Hz or 120 Hz supported. So, yun lang sa video nito guys. I hope na nagustuhan nyo at kung meron naman kayong mga katanungan, mag-comment lang kayo sa baba, and gagawa pa tayo ng mga more tutorial dito sa channel natin. So guys, if nagustuhan mo itong video na to, huwag mo kalimutan na mag-like, mag-share, mag-comment, at mag-subscribe. And click mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa panibagong videos na upload natin. So ako nga pala si RC Mods, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Thanks for watching.
Every night, in my mind, I feel the perfume of the skin. Baby, I won't deny. Stop it! 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 Up and down. Baby, let me kiss sexy body. I will be so kind.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through